Let's now have the article the. Okay, the. Everybody say the. Or the. The, okay. So, the, as mentioned earlier, is used for either singular or plural nouns. Okay? Let's take a look at this. So, it has to do with the count first. Let's talk about the count first. So, instead of using the articles a or an for singular, we're gonna use the plural the. Let's take a look at this. So, on the left are the singular samples, and on the right are the plural samples. So, singular, a child would be the children. A bird, the birds. A hobby, the hobbies. An apple, the apples. An agendum, the agenda. An umbrella would be the umbrellas. Okay? So see the difference, guys. So we have here a and then an, because these two articles are used for singular. And for plural, we have the, okay, here. But definitely, we could also say the child, because, you know, as mentioned earlier, the can also be used for singular, especially if it is definite. Okay, definite, specific, or particular. The child, okay. That means no other child, but that child, okay? That specific child, okay? Let's take a look at this example. So, the dogs wagged their tails. Okay, that's the plural. Instead of saying a dog wagged its tail, so the plural would be the dogs. Okay? And the number 2, plural, the apples were delivered yesterday. So instead of the singular, an apple was delivered yesterday. So see the difference, guys? Okay, see the difference. So a and an are for singular, and the is for either singular or plural. Okay? Now, another consideration is the sense. Okay? Let's take a look at this. So the is definite or specific. Okay, let's have the samples. For example, in number 1, where did you put the folder for English 1? So see the words in blue. Okay, why were they colored blue? Because they provide specific information. Okay, it's not any other folder, but that particular folder for English 1. That is why we use the instead of saying where did you put a folder for English 1. No, the right article to use is the. Okay, because it's definite, it's specific. Okay, number 2, we know this. Dr. Jose P. Rizal is the national hero of the Philippines. Okay, so why the? Yeah, why? You know the answer, guys. Okay, because definitely Dr. Jose P. Rizal is the national hero of the Philippines. Okay, so we use the article the here. We couldn't say Dr. Jose P. Rizal is a. Why? Is there any other national hero? Okay, no, it's only Dr. Jose P. Rizal. All right, so that's what we mean. That's what we mean by definite or specific. And number 3, that's the file that she needs. Okay, so specifically, exactly that file is what she needs. All right, so do you understand, guys? We could not say that's a file, because when we say that's a file, it could be any other file, but certainly we don't know whether that uncertain file is what the person needs. So the right article is the. Okay, the file. All right. Additional information. So let's take this. The automatically precedes countries with plural names or those countries ending in S. So automatically, these countries in plural forms or ending in S have to have the article the here in the beginning. Okay? Okay, let's read. The Philippines, the Netherlands, the Solomon Islands, the Cook Islands, and other countries that are plural in form. Okay, ending with S. So when we are to mention our country, the Philippines, we have to always attach the article the before Philippines. Okay? Another. So we use the article the with names containing a noun stating the kind of state. For example, the United States of America. We cannot simply say United States of America. Okay, so it should always be with the. The United Arab Emirates, the Dominican Republic, the Republic of the Congo, or the UK. What is UK? The United Kingdom of Great Britain and Northern Ireland. Okay, so the point here is they always have the. Okay, they are always preceded with the article the. Okay? Okay, so that's it, guys. I hope everything is clear. Thank you so much for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. Have fun learning!